Feeling lost ka ba at nawawala at gusto mo ng guidance para sa susunod na buwan? Then this video might be for you. So we will be diving into the monthly forecast for the zodiac sign Cancer for the month of March 2025. Only take what resonates and leave what doesn't. You may take nothing at all. If this finds you on your For You page, there might be a message for you. Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is M from M's Guide Tarot Reading and I am an intuitive tarot reader. Kung pwedeng mag-ask ng isang simpleng favor sa inyo, please like and subscribe to our channel kung gusto mo makakuha ng daily dose of tarot readings, guidance, and oracle card pulls. So this is our only channel, M's Guide Tarot Reading. We also have our other social media accounts. We also do daily postings on those other media handles. So please like and subscribe to get your daily dose of tarot reading. So without further ado, let's begin. So, ang theme for the month of March for the water sign Cancer is determination. So, anong ibig sabihin yan? For the month of March, maaring makaranas kayo or maka-experience kayo ng mga problema, obstacles, hindrances, but those obstacles, anong kailangan nyong gawin? Dapat determinado kayo at pursigido kayo na ma-resolve ang mga challenges na haharapin nyo for the month of March. Hindi pwede yung lalamya-lamya, yung mawawala na lang kayo ng pag-asa kapag hindi nyo na ma-resolve ang problema. So, just keep in mind that for the month of March, it might be a challenging month for you, Cancer, zodiac. So, keep in mind that the theme is to be determined or magpursige. You can go through anything or yung problema nyo nahaharapin ay mariresolve nyo basta kayo ay determined or there is determination on your end. Okay, so ang unang card na ating kinuha or the first card pull that we got is for your career for the month of March for our dear zodiac sign Cancer, and ang card na lumabas ay ang Two of Cups in the upright. So ang ibig sabihin nito, keep in mind that for the month of March, ang dapat nyong gawin is to have a healthy relation with the people that you are working with or yung mga tao na katrabaho nyo. Kailangan good and healthy ang relationship nyo doon sa mga co-workers nyo or yung mga boss nyo, yung mga superior nyo, mga mentor nyo, mga katrabaho nyo in general. Kasi maaaring very problematic ang month of March para sa inyo. You will be facing a lot of hardships this month and maaring may oras din na mag-give up ka na dahil sa sobrang hirap ng March. It will be an emotional turmoil or emotional roller coaster for you for the month of March. Pagdating sa trabaho, maaring maka-experience ka ng mga injustices sa trabaho at hindi mo makukuha yung mga gusto mo. It will bring a lot of emotions in you, but keep in mind, ang the only thing that you have to remember is to have high spirits. And remember the theme for the month of March, determination. Kung ikaw ay porsigido na manatili sa trabaho mo at magkaroon ng healthy relationship with your career, then you have to have good relationship with your coworkers. So, you will be facing challenges or magiging very challenging ang March para sa iyong career. Okay, so ang next card pull naman natin, ito ay representation ng iyong romantic life or ang love life mo ngayong March for the zodiac sign Cancer. At ang card na lumabas ay ang Wheel of Fortune in the reverse. So, mukhang very challenging talaga ang March para sa Cancer, ano, dahil naka-reverse. Ibig sabihin yan, Wheel of Fortune reverse, the odds are not in your favor this month pagdating sa love department. So, challenging na naman ang love, relationships, ganon. So, with the clarifying cards here, ang sinasabi, for those of you who are in a relationship, maaring magkaroon ng problema na haharapin pagdating sa pamilya. So, isang factor, kung kayo ay may pamilya na maaring you will be facing some problems or pwedeng pera din ang pagmulan ng problema pagdating sa pag-aaway ninyo ngayong March. So, ang guidance na binibigay sa inyo for those who are in a relationship, kung may away, kung may problemang hinaharap, wag agad-agad parang magbabato ng mga salita na masasakit. Pag-isipan ng mabuti, bigyan ng solusyon, and give some time to rest. Pag kunwari high on emotions ka, yung galit ka sa partner mo, kesyo ganyan, kesyo ganon, wag agad-agad paiiralin ng sakit ng yung emotions mo, kumbaga. Don't be too negative. Think it through before you speak because those words might put some fuel to the burning fire. So, yun ang guidance para sa inyo. Mag-isip muna bago magsalita dahil baka mas lalong lumaki lang ang problema na iyong kakaharapin this March. Okay, for those who are single naman, pagdating sa romantic life nyo or love relationship department ninyo, ah it looks like this is actually a happy problem. So, mukhang this March, mayroon kayong makakasalamuha na dalawang masculine energy. So, when it comes to tarot, hindi naman natin pinag-uusapan na porket sinabing masculine energy ay ito ay lalaki. It can be a male or it can be a female. Iba ang energy sa gender. So, maaring meron kayong makilala na ah, King of Wands in the upright, yun yung energy ng person na makikilala nyo. When it comes to zodiac signs, it might be a fire sign. So, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. And meron pang isang masculine energy na maaari nyong makasalamuha at makilala this month of March. And it might also be a water sign, the same as you are. So, Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio. So, ang sinasabi dito, it will be very confusing for you kasi pareho mo silang gusto. So, ang sinasabi dito, ang guidance, just take your time. Get to know both. Hindi ka naman dapat ma-pressure sa kung may pipiliin ka na or hindi. Just have fun. Wag masyadong ma-pressure and get to know yung mga tao ng mabuti. Hindi yung ah, bigla ka na lang magi-give in dun sa isa pero hindi mo pa lubusang kilala or hindi mo pa lubusang nakilatis. Okay, so ang last card na ating ipinul out, ito ang representation ng iyong health for the month of March. And the card that came out is the star card in the reverse. So, hindi rin masyadong maganda kasi ang ibig sabihin niyan pagdating sa health concerns, maaring ikaw ay nag-overthink ng mga bagay na hindi pa naman nangyayari. So, for example, kung iniisip mo na, ay, baka may malala akong sakit, overthink ka ng overthink, imbis na sana pumunta ka na sa doktor at magpa-check para malaman na talaga kung ano ang iyong na-experience. So, in a sense, this is not really good for you. So, try to keep in mind that overthinking will lead you to more stress. And with the clarifying cards here, you will be losing your confidence. It's more about yung health problems might be coming from stress about people who are not cooperating. So, yun ang kailangan mong pagbigyan ng pansin. So, yung opinion ng iba, kung meron kang naririnig na mga unsolicited opinions about others, wag mong stressin yung sarili mo kasi pag sobrang na-stress ka, maaring ito ay mag-manifest into physical sickness like lagnatin ka, magkasakit ka, sasakit ang tiyan mo, ganun. So, do not overthink, do not be stressed about the people that you're dealing with. Wag mawalan ng tiwala sa sarili and be determined. Again, going back to the theme of the month for the zodiac sign Cancer, determination. All the problems that you will be facing or encountering, malalagpasan mo yan basta may tiwala ka lang sa iyong sarili. So to end your monthly forecast, dear Cancer, for the month of March, we have pulled some oracle cards for extra guidance, and the first card is don't let your past hold you back. So, kung may mga bagay in the recent past na tingin mo ay pumapasok dito sa bagong buwan, past na yon, wag nyo nang isipin yun. Focus on the present. And the next one is be bold and make the first move. So again, determination. Kailangan kung may gusto ka, gawin mo. Hindi pwedeng pinapasa Diyos na lang or uh, ubaya na lang sa universe.